Hi, today we are pushing AI in order to try to build a French learning app. Here you can see lessons, vocabulary with over 3,500 of the most frequent French words. You can listen to the correct pronunciation.
Je suis. Tu es. Il, elle est. Nous sommes. Tu as. Nous avons. Vous avez. Eau. Café. Fromage. Vin.
You can take quick tests and track your progress as you go and more. Let's jump in. I created this prompt with ChatGPT. I want the Lovable agent to create an English-French learning app in which I have user account, progress recorded, exercises, flashcards with vector images, quizzes, and more. And this is our app. Let's create an account. Not bad for the first look. Let's test this lesson. A nice flashcard that is working. Bonjour, meaning good morning. Let's see another one. Bonsoir, meaning good evening. Nice. Let's add some voice for these flashcards. The Lovable agent suggests me a quick and free text-to-speech. Let's go with this one. Meanwhile, let's test this exercises section. How do you say good morning in French? Let's choose bonjour. It's validated. Let's give a wrong answer to see the feedback. Working. We didn't get the XP for correct answers. We'll fix that in a moment. I like these suggestions like add pronunciation practice, add listening comprehension quiz, and more. Let's add them into the prompt. Let's get into Lovable Cloud to see our database. Here we have some tables. We have some exercises. Let's fix the progress of learning because right now it is not working. So, here we have study, practice, and test section. Not bad. And also some suggestions. The voice is working, but I am recording this in a place with a lot of noise. I have to record a demo of this app in a quiet place. The color theme of this app is too boring. Let's add some themes. Let's use these suggestions. Add a dark mode theme. Add theme transitions. Let's test some themes. Let's add a vocabulary with filters by categories with over 5,000 frequent words with suggestive icons. The dark mode is really nice. The vocabulary works well for me. I like it. I would like the icons to be larger. Right now, Lovable couldn't add 5,000 words, but only 50 words. It wants a CSV file with all the words. Let's see our database. As you can see, there are only 50 rows in the vocabulary table. Let's create some quizzes where users can test their knowledge. Let's add into the prompt these suggestions too. Let's see the test section. We have some categories. The validation is working. The wrong answers are working too. We got 90%, 9 out of 10 correct answers. We have some update of this section which is looking really nice. Let's add some more suggestions into the prompt referring to difficulty levels. The icons got bigger. Nice. They are not the best, but it's okay for now. This is a prototype app. Let's add some history page, quiz achievements, and quiz stats. I really enjoy how Lovable helps me out to improve my app with these suggestions. We cannot go with hard level because we need to get firstly through easy level. The same applies to medium level. This is a section in which I am notified to use .csv if I want to add 5,000 new words. I created a vocabulary with ChatGPT with the most frequent words in French. I am going to feed the Lovable agent with chunks of 500 words. Let's add another 500 words. In our database now, we have 1341 French words with their translation in English. Let's see the grammar section. Nice. Let's add another 500 French words. Let's update our learning path with all the words so far. I also want a conjugation section for grammar. Let's add a conjugation progress and a grammar exercises section. As I can see, the colors of this theme don't help me to see the text hierarchy of this page. We'll change that in a moment. Let's see the conjugation section. Nice, not bad at all. At the bottom, we have a nice short grammar notice. Now we have 2,520 French words in our vocabulary. Let's add another chunk of 500 French words. Let's add some more colors in order to better see the page sections. Not bad. It's not perfect, but we can adjust these colors later. I like this theme the most. This text is not visible on dark theme. Let's fix it. Now it's better. Let's add an error boundary around main layout to prevent crashes. This study plan section is not working. Let's add some more lessons path. In our vocabulary now, we have 2,571 words. Let's unlock all the lessons so we are not dependent on previous lessons. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.